Okay, so this next tool is on Google Forms, and this is a website that you can just create different surveys for people to take, and you can create the surveys about anything. So I did mine on how often do you use your phone because I want to see which age group uses the phone the most and like what kind of phone and how long and all that. So I just added in all my questions. So my first one is about their age, then what kind of phone, when do you spend the most time on your phone, how many hours a day, and do you think your phone is a distraction? So you can also include like different images. You can even include videos on here. Yeah, so this is just a fun way to create surveys, and then when people respond, you can find your responses right here.